Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We start here with chapstick. No intro today. If you've been here before, you already know. This is the Crazy Tour Nation. You know what it stands for. If you missed me not saying the intro, let me know. Today is August 4th. Knock on my door. This was there. This was there. And I had received notification that this was in my mailbox. And this was in my mailbox. And so we're in a heat wave here in Delaware. When I went out, I think it was 97. Right now it's like 95. So I had to come in and just get calm and soothed and non-sweaty. So I'm going to open this one first. I know what this one is. I did another thing because I have another thing coming up. Y'all know I'm always doing things. I haven't opened any of these. This one is from Target. And I'm going to say now, this did not need to be box cutter. This did not need to be in this box. Like, look how big this is. Okay, so this is in here, and this, that is it. That is it. And what had happened was, this is L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush Neutral N57 Apricot Kiss. I purchased it to pick up in the store, because you need a certain amount for free shipping. And they said they were processing my order. Then I received the email. It wasn't in stock at the store, so they gave me an option to have it shipped for free. Hell yeah. So I like how for these, they do say if it's neutral, cool tone, or warm. I preferred warm, but it looked too dark for what I thought my look was going to end up looking like. So that's in that. This, what is this? Oh, this is from, and it says it all along here, Peter Thomas Roth. So we're going to open this up. This came quick. I ordered this maybe 4 days ago at the most. And so I was surprised that it came so fast. And so I just cut the tape open. We're going to open this up. By the time you see this, and they have everything wrapped up very nicely in all of this bubble wrap. And there's bubble wrap inside and in the packaging. What is this? Was this free? Oh, I did get a free because of points. And I didn't think it was this friggin' big. This rewards points. This was free. I thought it was like a small little thing. Unwrinkle Turbo. Excuse me. Unwrinkle Turbo. Line Smoothing Toning Lotion. Targets the appearance of the 6 most stubborn, deep wrinkles and expression lines with 18 anti-aging neuropeptides and peptides. Help remove surface impurities and refresh, soften, smooth the look of skin with pure 24K gold, oil-free, alcohol-free for all skin types. And so that's what all of that said. I'm scanning for directions. The reason that I was really thinking this was a small one, because I have stuff that I love for skincare already, and by this video you'll have seen both my bedtime and my wake up routine. And so I was thinking this might be something just to see if it works. And so for this to be this huge, like, I'm hoping I like it. And I am noticing more wrinkles. I don't know why. I am 52, so I am getting older. Like, people don't get younger. Directions: use twice daily on cleansed skin, saturate cotton pad and sweep gently over face. Use alone or follow with treatment routine if desired. Oh, so this is like a toner. Duh. Toning lotion. And I don't even use a toner. So this might fit into my routine. Well, I'm sure it will if my skin likes it. The other three samples. Vital E Microbiome Age Defense Cream. So that's a sample. His Glycolic Retinol Resurfacing Serum. That's in here. And pumpkin enzyme mask. And so all 4 of these, can I not count, were in this bag. So I do like how they separate things. What I'm excited about, and it's not even for me, maybe one of each are for me, I don't know, but look at this. The mask, I'm going to repackage these. The mask that I told you about, I purchased, how many? 3. I purchased 3 of these. To go with the eye masks. So those were the face masks. These are the eye masks. And I purchased 4 of these. Sorry for the reflection, that's what I'm trying to avoid. And so I purchased 4 of these. So I'm going to keep one, even though I'm going to give the cucumber one away because that irritated my under eye. So 3 of these and 3 of these are going to be paired. As I said, this may be long gone by the time you see this video. If you saw my address that quick, pretend that you didn't. So yeah, so we're going to open this. I don't remember what this is. It just says beauty shipping department, and it came from Florida. What is this? It came from USPS. I'm looking at the invoice here. This is what it is. Where did this? L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last 2-Step Liquid Lip Color. So this must be from Amazon. Like somebody selling stuff on Amazon. And so that's what this looks like. I think this is the lip color, obviously, duh, troll. And I believe this is a top coat. And so as you see, 2 L'Oreal things. So there is something coming up, whether it will have come and gone by the time you see the video, I don't know. So I apologize if this is disorienting. This is the last thing. This is from Dose of Colors. The reason why I went out to get my mail today was because, like I said, it's hot. It's like in the mid 90s, mid to upper 90s. And I was concerned. And it even says heat sensitive. This is Dose of Colors. I know I've complained before. Using my box cutter to slice that open. I've complained before about not liking everything being in a set because I might just want 1 or 2 things. Dose of Colors had a 30% off sale for their, not their, but Lipstick Day, National Lipstick Day, I think it was. And it was 30% off, and so I went ahead and got the Name of Tang set. The only thing I wanted out of the set, and it says nude lip set. For me, it's not. I love me with a dark lip. And I remember saying before, all I wanted was the liquid lippy and the gloss. I didn't want the bullet lipstick. I didn't want the lip liner, but I said for 30% off, I'm going to go ahead and get it. So I'm not yet going to open the lip pencil. I'm not going to open anything yet. This is the liquid matte lipstick. It just looks so rich, and y'all know I want to dig into it. This is the gloss. Oh my gosh. And I did see a lot of videos when this first came out, and as with most new things, once they're not new anymore, you don't see them anymore. And this is the lipstick. This does look a little cool, but over the lip liner, you know, everything looked really nice, but I just wanted the liquid lip and the gloss. And so the other 2, I'm going to see if a friend wants it. And so we'll see, or I may try them, I don't know yet. And so that is it for this video, short and sweet, because I don't know if I'm going to add on to this for a monthly haul video or not for the month of August, which if so, you'll see this the first week of September. So thank you all for watching, and you will see me soon.